All right, so I've picked this image of Tahitian dancers because I wanted to highlight the fact that the skirts that they're wearing, which are typically called grass skirts, are in fact actually made out of a tree bark from a tree called the hau tree, which has to then be shredded. So I am picking my 200 by 200 image here that I am going to focus on because I want to really highlight the texture of the skirt right there. And so I have my cropped image, which then I am going to um, export because that's how GIMP tends to prefer it. So I am going to then give it its new image name of Tahiti crop, which I will then export. And it's really interesting because, as I said, a lot of people tend to think of these as um, grass skirts, and like I said, they're not. They're actually made out of shredded tree bark, which takes some effort to shred down to the really fine levels that you need to see for performers. And they do itch terribly, and you can get splinters, so it requires some care when wearing them. Also, they are very heavy, but they look great, which is, of course, part of the reason why performers wear them.